DJ ARKULEN BASS. Small speaker waking, bass in the air, tiny box moving, sound everywhere. Turn it up slow, let the low end grow. Feel that punch from the mini flow. Clean hit, short wave, bassline moving like a signal cave. This is the check, this is the tone. Small sound rising on its own. Mini speaker, big reaction. Bass is ready for the action. Mini bass, big sound, low end pressure all around. Feel the kick, feel the line. DJ ARKULEN on the sign. Small size, clean drive, bass comes through and feels alive. Every beat lands, every tone stays clear. Low sound moving close to the ear. Portable power, pocket sound. Little speaker shakes the ground. Not too loud, not too rough. Clean bass feeling strong enough. Step by step, the pressure climbs. Mini sound moving in perfect time. Bassline steady, rhythm tight. Portable energy through the night. Ready for the punch, ready for the test. Let the small speaker show its best. Clean low, fast attack. One more drop, bring it back, back, back. Mini bass, big sound, low end pressure all around. Feel the kick, feel the line. DJ ARKULEN on the sign. Dong 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 dong. Listen to the balance, listen to the space. Every small speaker has its own bass. Clear sound rising, deep tone near. Mini bass signal loud and clear. One last test, one last wave. Let the compact sound open the stage. Bass moves quick, sound stays clean. Mini speaker power in the scene. Go bass signal, clean and low. Portable pressure starts to flow. Small speaker, strong vibration. DJ ARKULEN, bass sound check station. Sound check complete. Mini bass alive. DJ ARKULEN bass. Feel the small speakers.